My name is Bill Anderson. I'm the judge of General Sessions Criminal Court, Division 7 in Shelby County, Memphis, Tennessee, and also judge of the Shelby County Veterans Treatment Court in Memphis, Tennessee. We started the Veterans Treatment Court 10 years ago this coming July. When we started the court, there were two of us, and I knew absolutely nothing about veterans courts. And in the 10 years since, it would be an understatement that I have learned voluminous amounts in the treatment community and also specifically in veterans issues, what they've gone through, what they continue to go through. It has been and continues to be the most rewarding thing I have done in my legal career, which is now over 40 years. Of course, all of our veterans come in through the jailhouse door first. Some of them come in just completely feeling humiliated that they're in jail, that they don't understand what they've done or why they are in jail. They don't like being in jail. Veterans are very proud people, as you can imagine. Many of them, that shock incarceration gets their attention immediately and catapults them through the program, and we have very few issues. They take their treatment very seriously. They resolve from that point on to get into the program and get out of the program a different person. Those are the kind of folks that are the easy folks to work with. Then we have the folks who fight us literally from day one. And those are the veterans who don't really understand that they are damaged. And I think it's human nature for us not to see that we all have issues, not to acknowledge that we all have issues, but for our veterans, many of them have issues that are war-related, that are based on the trauma they've witnessed. And we've had all ages. We've had Vietnam, still have a couple of Vietnam veterans. Now we've had 22 years of last wars, hopefully, that we'll fight that's recently come to an end. But those 22 years of wars have produced an entire generation and a half of new issues. So we'll be dealing with those for the next, who knows how long, foreseeable future. We have Vietnam veterans who have come into our program 40 years after their service and had been addicted to cocaine and other drugs for the entire time they've been out of the service from Vietnam. And when they graduate the program, it's almost like a burden has been lifted off of them. It's almost like, gosh, I finally have somebody who was willing to help me all these years later. That's what we're all about. That's what this program is all about, is putting people, we take people in, we tell them on the front end, we don't want you to be in this program any longer than it takes, but we're not going to let you out of this program until we all feel as a team that you are ready to go out and be the person you were when you graduated from boot camp. Put your shoulders back, put your head up, and say, I'm ready to tackle the world and I'm ready to take care of business. Frankly, I've learned that our government does not support our military veterans like they should. The services are not adequate, especially when it comes to female veterans. But what I have learned that's positive is that we can make a difference in helping folks who suffer from the traumas that veterans do, many of which are similar to drug courts and mental health courts. We've learned about specific veteran-related issues, traumatic brain injuries, PTSD, and the myriad of different types of treatment that are available for them. The most amazing thing, I think most judges will tell you in recovery courts, the most amazing part of our job is when we get to have a graduation and see and hear from, in our case, the veterans who have been through the program, who have succeeded and are ready to go out and continue the rest of their good lives that they've earned. That's what keeps us going. That's what keeps us. I say every graduation we have 4 a year, and I say I have 5 Christmases a year. Christmas Day and 4 graduations.